Now, in the given question, we have the kinetic energies of a planet in an elliptical orbit about the Sun at positions A, B, and C, which are Ka, Kb, and Kc respectively. Now, AC is the major axis and SB is the perpendicular to the AC at the position of the Sun S, as shown in the figure. Now, as we know that when a planet's orbit about the sun, the angular momentum of the planet about the sun remains constant because mvr equals to constant of v, where r is a constant. So by this, we can say that v is inversely proportional to the r. Now, at position A, the distance between the planet and the sun is the shortest, and at position C it is the most. So hence the speed of the planet is great at the position A in comparison to the position C. So the kinetic energy A would be the greatest, and kinetic energy B would become at the second position, and kinetic energy of C would be the worst. So the correct option for this question is first option.